My hydrogen water bottle, to turn it on, real simple, you click that. I'm gonna turn it back off. USB-C charging. The nice thing about this, you can use this to create your hydrogen water, and this is lit up here, of course. Or on the go, this is a battery in it, you can put like a water bottle like this in here and charge this up with hydrogen. One click is 2,000, ppm is the measurement. If you want more hydrogen, you can run it for 6 minutes. So one cycle is 3 minutes, you get 2,000 ppm. If you want 3,000 ppm, you just run it another cycle, so just for 6 minutes, okay? You don't have to do anything, you just click the button, walk away. When the light goes off, you know it's done, and you got your hydrogen water. So yeah, pretty neat. I think this is something at least to try. It's pretty inexpensive, and it has a lot of benefits. Anti-aging, headaches, all that stuff, make you feel better. I think this is something that's also recommended a lot by that guy, Gary B, if you know what I'm talking about. So yeah, check it out, USB-C. It comes with USB-C cable. Straightforward, very simple.